you ever wondered why do astronauts float on moon? Welcome to Science Pedagogics, Science Made Easier. Today, we'll be telling you the concept behind why do astronauts float over moon, or why will we feel lighter if we go on moon. So, the concept of this thing is based over one physics concept, that is weight. So let's first discuss what is difference between mass and weight. So mass is something जो हम मेजर करते हैं, हम वेइंग मशीन पे जो खड़े होकर मेजर करते हैं, दैट इज़ नॉट वेट. हम लेमैन टर्म्स में उसे वेट कह देते हैं, बट दैट इज एक्चुअली मास. मास इज एनीथिंग इज अमाउंट ऑफ मैटर इन ए सब्सटेंस. So if we are measuring our mass in kilograms, that is amount of matter in us, and it is measured in kilograms. We know that we buy sugar in kgs. But weight is nothing but the force we exert on earth. We know कि जब हम फ्लोर पे खड़े होते हैं तो हम कुछ फोर्स exert करते हैं फ्लोर पे. Similarly, we exert force on earth. That is weight. And just like force, the unit of weight is also Newton. Now, weight is equals to mass into acceleration due to gravity. So, it's just like force. Force is mass into acceleration. So, weight is mass into acceleration due to gravity. And acceleration due to gravity is the force by which Earth is pulling us. It is a constant by which Earth is pulling us. So, we have to remember this कि मास हमेशा सेम रहता है, चाहे हम अर्थ पे रहें, चाहे हम मून पे जाएं या चाहे हम मार्स पे जाएं, या इट इज़ एप्लीकेबल फॉर एस्ट्रोनॉट्स ऑल्सो. बट अर्थ पे जो वेट होता है वो ज़्यादा होता है एज कम्पेयर टू वेट ऑन मून. क्यों? क्योंकि दिस जी विच इज़ कॉन्स्टेंट इज़ 1/6 ऑन मून एज कम्पेयर टू अर्थ, एंड इट इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ दिस डिक्रीज इन स्मॉल जी, which is acceleration due to gravity, that astronauts fly and experience weightlessness on moon or on other planets. इसका मतलब mass कम ज़्यादा नहीं होता. It is the acceleration due to gravity or weight which decreases or increases. So thank you, like, share and subscribe if you found it knowledgeable.